This is a quick video on how to create a table of contents in Designer. Designer, you'll notice most templates come with a heading in the header section. Many times people will think that this heading is what the table of contents pulls in, but what the table of contents actually pulls in is these headings within the content pages. Designer will pull in H2 and it'll also pull in H3 size headings. So if I kind of scroll through, you can see I have these H3. What I want them to be is subheadings, and these would be my main headings, the H2. So to add a table of contents, I will come up here to this plus sign, and I will drag the table of contents element onto the page above the introduction. And I'm going to have three options. These two are going to be the same. The only difference is the text on the left, text on the right. And this will pick up any H2 or H3 will be an entry. Any H2, H3 will be an entry on these two. On this one here, this one gives us the subchapter option, the one that I really like. So the heading, the H2 heading would be chapter 1, and then H3 headings would be subchapters under the main chapters. So I'm going to select that, and Designer automatically pulls it in, and it will hyperlink the page numbers. These will not work. The hyperlink text and numbers will not work until you publish it to PDF. So inside the editor, it will not work. But the other thing that many people have a question on is if they were to move things around. For example, let's say this dried flowers is now on page 5. If you make any changes, and the table content should be the very last thing that you do. Whenever you add a table contents element, it will add a new page automatically. You don't need to do that. So if you make a change, you're going to come and you're going to select this whole TOC wrapper. You're just going to move your mouse so you can see it and select and click inside the box, and then you would click on this refresh TOC, and then any changes, it would reorder the list and also reorder the page numbers here. So one other thing, if you are wanting to change the text in one of these entries, you have to change it within the content itself. So if I want to change this from introduction to let's just say chapter 1, so I make the change here within the content, and then I would come back up, and again I would select the whole table of contents and click this refresh TOC, and you're going to see that this is going to change to chapter 1. So it's pretty cut and dry after you figure out how Designer works. It pulls from H2 and H3 headings within the content itself. If you want to make any changes to the text, to the entries here, you have to make the changes within the content itself. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below and I'll be more than happy to answer for you.